diving into some seriously cool AI tools today.
Yeah, actually some game changers.
Yeah, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Firefly. We've got a lot to unpack, so let's just jump right in.
Sounds good.
We were checking out a conversation about these tools.
Mm-hmm.
Two people just chatting about their experiences,
Yeah, pretty insightful.
So first up, ChatGPT. They were saying it's the king for longer stuff, like deep dives.
Oh, absolutely. ChatGPT can handle some serious content.
I was thinking about your research.
Oh, yeah?
Could ChatGPT, I don't know, summarize a bunch of research papers?
Easily. Imagine, let's say you're researching, I don't know, the history of podcasting.
Okay, yeah.
You feed ChatGPT all those papers, articles, interviews.
Right.
It analyzes everything, pulls out the key points, and boom,
Yeah.
you've got a concise summary.
No way, that's amazing. Time saver for sure.
Huge time saver.
Okay, so then there's Gemini. Sounds like the opposite of ChatGPT.
Yeah, Gemini is all about speed.
Shorter, snappier answers, that's how they put it.
Exactly. You need a quick fact, you ask Gemini.
What else is related to podcasts? I don't know.
Sure. Let's say you need to know when the first podcast was released.
Okay, yeah.
Instead of going down a Google rabbit hole, you ask Gemini. Bang, you have your answer.
Wow, that's super handy.
It's a lifesaver when you're on a deadline.
Okay, last one, Firefly. All about visuals, right?
This one's for the creatives out there.
Perfect for designers, they said.
Think about it. You need an image for your website.
Yeah.
A couple keywords in Firefly, and it generates something amazing. Or you can enhance existing photos, make them really pop.
So AI is making art now.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
And Firefly is constantly learning, so who knows what it'll be able to do next year.
That's wild. Okay, so we've got ChatGPT for deep dives, Gemini for quick answers, and Firefly for stunning visuals.
A real AI dream team.
And they're changing so fast, it makes you wonder, what's next?
It really does. How will this change research, problem solving, creative expression?
I mean, we're just scratching the surface here.
Definitely. It's exciting and a little bit scary, What new possibilities will these tools unlock? What challenges will they bring?
It's a whole new world out there, and it's evolving every single day.
'Cause that's the beauty of it, right? The possibilities are endless.
It really makes you think. Thanks for breaking it all down for us.
Happy to do it.
And to all our listeners, keep exploring. There's a whole universe of AI tools out there waiting to be discovered.
Absolutely. Don't be afraid to dive in and see what you can create.
We'll catch you in the next deep dive.
See you then.